Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. It's me Warida from my channel and welcome to my channel. I'll be starting with my eye makeup today and taking this color or shade called Sushi from my Focallure palette and blending it into my crease area with an angle fluffy brush. Now from the Huda Beauty palette, I'll be taking the shade called Bossy and blending it with the help of a pencil brush, and I'm blending this shade into my socket area just to give it a nice depth. Then blending all the two shades together to avoid any kind of harsh lines and taking the shade into the outer V area of my eyes. And yeah, now I'll be cutting my crease off camera. Here it goes. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just pressing the shade called Coupon and blending it with the help of my blending brush. Actually, I'm first pressing it with my finger and with the brush that I used to apply the concealer. Now I'm just pressing it and I'll be blending it with my previous blending brush. Now I'll wear my lashes off camera and coming back. Here it goes. Now I'll be mixing two foundations. এগুলো আমি gift পেয়েছিলাম, so these aren't the right shade. So yeah, still I'll be mixing it and make it work because I don't like throwing things or throwing makeup, and so yeah, I'll just make it work. এগুলো মিক্স করার পরেও আমার স্কিন টোন থেকে এক বা দুই শেড লাইটার হবে বিকজ দ্য সুপারস্টে ফাউন্ডেশন ওইটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমার undertoner na, and I'm yellow undertoned one and ওটা pink undertone one. That's why এটা একটু ফ্যাকাশে টাইপের লাগতে পারে, but I will make it work. Now I'm just blending it with the help of a brush. Actually it's a foundation brush and a fluffy one obviously. So I'm just mixing my foundation. See, এটা একটু ফ্যাকাশে দেখা যাবে, but doesn't matter, we will fix it later, like with the help of the contour blush, so everything will go over it, so এটা fix হয়ে যাবে প্যারানি। I'll avoid the eye area because ওখানে অনেক ডার্ক সার্কেল, সো আমি যদি ওটার উপর আমার এই সাদা ফ্যাকাসি টাইপ ফাউন্ডেশন ইউজ করি ওইটা বেশি অ্যাশি অর গ্রিসি দেখা যাবে, সো দ্যাটস ওয়াই আই এম অ্যাভয়েডিং দ্য এরিয়া because I'll be applying concealer there. You guys can see আমি একসাথে অনেকগুলো ফাউন্ডেশন ইউজ করতেছি না একবারে, বিকজ হচ্ছে দ্য সুপারস্টে ওয়ান ইজ ভেরি ড্রাইং অ্যান্ড ওটা যদি আমি একবারে ইউজ করে ফেলি সো আমার ব্লেন্ড করতে অনেক প্যারা হবে, সো আই এম জাস্ট টেকিং লিটল বাই লিটল অ্যান্ড দেন ব্লেন্ডিং ইট. Now I'll avoid the whole highlighting and contour part because you can see my face, this is already contoured, so I don't wanna waste products on my face, so I'm just hiding my dark circles with the help of this concealer. This is basically not a concealer, that's a foundation and mainly a corrector. I'm now blending this with my cutesy little blender. It's basically a damp beauty blender. I'm just blending this properly and nicely. Now I'll be using my Pond's pink toned makeup. Sorry, it's a powder. So it will give my under eye a brightening effect. So this is why I'm using this powder. and I'm dusting the powder off. So yeah. Now I'll be doing my under eye makeup. আমি এডিট করার টাইমে খেয়াল করছিলাম দ্যাট আমি লোয়ার ল্যাশ লাইনে মাস্কারা লাগাইতে ভুলে গেছিলাম, সো মাস্কারা লাগাইলে আরেকটু ইনহ্যান্সড লাগতো আইসটা, সো ভুলি, সরি। This is exactly what happens to me all the time, every time, always. Oh my god. আমি এখন আমার লোয়ার ল্যাশ লাইনে 1 ঘন্টা ধরে মেকআপ করবো, সো bear with me. Now I'm just taking this shade to enhance or whatever my inner corner, and I didn't like that shade, so I used that pink shimmer shade, and just applying it into the inner corners of my eyes, of both of my eyes. Now what I'm gonna do is I'll be contouring my nose, and I'll be contouring my nose with the help of my Focallure palette. It's an eye palette, but I'm using like a blush palette, a contour palette, shadow palette, whatever I'm feeling like, I'm just using it. Now I'll be blending it with the help of a fluffy brush. It's a contour brush also, and I do contour my nose and forehead. I don't contour my cheeks and jawline. So yeah, everyone has their own trick to do makeup. That's my trick. Now I'll be applying blush. Sorry guys, I love blush so much, and that's my favorite part of makeup, so I'm just applying it a bit more, but it will tone down later. This noodle was so spicy. Now I'll be contouring my forehead. আমার 10 হাত বড় একটা কপাল, যেটাকে কন্ট্রোল না করলে আমাকে অনেক বাজে দেখা যায়, so I'm just doing it. And yeah, with the help of the same brush, it's a contour brush, it's a dense contour brush, and this shade, you guys, this brush shade, you guys, is very comfortable and very cute. Now I'll use the highlighter, the same palette, Focallure palette, 3 palette, and with the help of the same blush brush, I'm just highlighting my face. I don't use so much highlighter because I don't like highlighter so much. So yeah, this is my skin look like. This is how my skin looks like. Now I'm gonna highlight my inner corner and brow bone to give my eyes a bit more shiny effect. আমি যদি বলি হাইলাইটার আমার বেশি একটু পছন্দ না, মানুষজন আমাকে লাইক জুতা দিয়ে পিটাবে, still. Now it's time for lipstick, so I'm using Pudair lipstick. I forgot the shade, so I'll mention it on my description box, don't forget to check it up. And I'm using 2 shades to give an ombre effect on my lips, so yeah. Applicator, oh my god, this is very helpful. I'm blending my lipstick with the help of my finger. Yeah. Now I'll be using white kajal onto my lower lash line, and it will brighten up my eyes. So this is the final look, you guys, and I'm not a makeup artist, I just do whatever I feel like to do. So yeah, thank you for watching, and do like my YouTube channel, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.